What's going on, guys? My name's Daniel, and once again, you're on Hustle Every Day. Today, I want to show you a pretty cool setup that I came up with off of Temu. Now, I know you hear me talk about Temu sometimes. I do love the website. I buy a lot of stuff off of it, but I'm not sponsored by them. They have never given me a single thing other than what I've won on like Fishland and the little games like that. So everything that I have, I've purchased off of them. But this is something pretty cool that could save you in multiple different situations. It's two different items. I'm going to flip the camera around. I'll show you what I mean. All right, guys. So this is an Android radio. I got this off Amazon. You do need an Android radio for this, I believe, but this is not what I want to talk about. The two things I want to talk about are this little DVR USB camera up here, which runs down and plugs into the back of the radio, and this heads-up display. This camera was like $15. The heads-up display was like $8 or $10, both off Temu. And here's what is so cool. So go to my home screen here, and I hit this called Traffic Safety Guard, and check that out. I can see everything that's going on. Now, this camera is always recording all the time, but if I ever want to pull the video up right here, I can actually go in and I can watch previous videos that have been recorded. So like here's playback. There we go. Pick them. I'm watching old videos from, I don't know, minutes, hours ago. I don't know exactly. But check that out. This is not live. I have my hand going in front of the camera and you're seeing a video that was played previously. Oh, there you go. You can see right there the status bar. Hit this back button here, and now there we go, and now my hand is coming back in front of it. Now here's what's so cool, what I like so much. This thing, unfortunately, since it's, you know, Chinese or wherever it comes from, it shows in kilometers an hour, and that does not always work very well. But my heads-up display, it works very, very well, and as you can see, it shows in miles per hour. Now, what's so cool is my camera, not only is it capturing everything that's going on in front of me, but it is capturing my speed all of the time. So if I get pulled over or something like that, or something happens in front of my car, I have that proof right there. If the cop says, you were going 60 and a 50, I can say, you know what? I believe that you know, you saw what you saw, but if you don't mind, let's go back and check the video footage and just see exactly what speed I was going. Now, that would be if I didn't believe I was speeding. Obviously, if I knew I was speeding, I probably wouldn't go back and watch the footage proving that I was speeding. But I don't really speed around in my work truck. I'm usually pulling, you know, my 16-foot trailer load with about 10,000 pounds. And the last thing I want to do is potentially get in an accident, hurt or kill somebody, injure myself, mess up my equipment. So I'm usually taking it easy. For me, this camera is more for if somebody pulls out in front of me or something like that. But for those of you that maybe need to get from A to B a little bit quicker, this could be a really cool setup that even with the Android radio, I have under, I think, $150 in everything. The Android radio is like $120, and it's quick. I mean, I have Android Auto. My maps load right up extremely fast. It is, I don't know, 150, 120 bucks, something like that. I think it was 149, and they had like a $30 coupon, something stupid like that on Amazon. The camera, like I said, it was 10, 12 bucks. The heads-up display, 8, 10, 12 bucks, something like that. Altogether, even after tax, I'm probably under $150. That's absolutely insane for this whole setup. I'm not trying to sell it to you. I'm not even going to put any links down there unless you guys want me to. Post down below if this is something you're interested in. I will load up some links down there, but this is just something I wanted to show you that maybe you could duplicate in your car or your truck, and you know, could help save you some money down the line. You know, it's $150, $180 in equipment. That's actually pretty cool when it could save me from a $230, $250, $300 ticket. So there you go, guys. My little setup, something I've been thinking about showing you. I've been running this for, I don't know, months and months now. It's something I've been thinking about showing you guys, but I was like, will they really care or not? I thought, you know what? Who cares if everybody cares? Someone out there may care, and it may help somebody out. So there you go. If you like this video, hit hit that thumbs up. As always, I'd appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Hit that bell button if you want to be notified when this kind of content pops up. If you hated this video or really dislike it, hit that thumbs down button. But do me a favor. If you dislike this video, leave a comment down below and tell me exactly why you disliked it and maybe what you'd like to see me do later on. Other than that, guys, you know, hustle every day, and I'll see you next time.